This simple guide uses free TradingView tools to help you spot trends and make more money in any market. I'll be sharing just a part of 500 times backtesting it and share the results with you just before the end of the video, so make sure to stick around until the end. Let's dive in. First, head over to tradingview.com and open any chart you like, any market, any time frame, it's all up to you. Let's start by cranking up our trading game with our first secret weapon. Go to TradingView's indicator section and grab the L3 Aroon Zone developed by Black Cat. This tool helps us identify trends and spot the perfect entry points for trades. All right, traders, it's time to supercharge your trading with some easy yet game-changing tricks. Listen up, we're about to uncover the buy and sell signals hiding within our supercharged L3 Aroon Zone indicator. These signals will help you identify potential market entry points and make more profitable trades. For the buy signal, keep an eye out for the first green histogram that pops up above the 0 level. I think of it as a green light telling you to hit the gas and jump into a long trade. On the flip side, watch for the sell signal when you see the first red histogram below the 0 level. It's like a red light alerting you to hit the brakes and enter a short trade. With these simple yet powerful tips in your back pocket, you'll be navigating the market like a pro in no time. But hold your horses before you jump into trades. There's a catch. Sometimes the L3 Aroon Zone indicator might throw you a curveball with counter trend signals. Don't sweat it though. We've got your back with a second incredible tool to filter out those pesky false signals. Oh, and by the way, here at Income Nomad, we're all about creating profitable strategies using free indicators that anyone can access. If you're enjoying our tips, smash that like button and subscribe to stay in the loop with more game-changing strategies. Now, let's get back to our mission and introduce the second powerful tool that will take your trading game to new heights. The second indicator is called the Mix1 EMA Cross Trend Channel Indicator. This dynamic tool combines two powerful strategies to help you make smarter decisions when entering and exiting trades. To unlock the full potential of this bad boy, we need to tweak some settings. Don't worry, it's super easy. Follow along as we guide you through the indicator settings to optimize your trades. All right, traders, let me clarify. The Mix1 EMA Cross Trend Channel Indicator isn't a crystal ball giving you direct buy or sell signals. Instead, think of it as your trusty market trend compass, showing you the overall direction of the market. With the EMA ribbon and SMA 200 component working together, this handy indicator helps you gauge whether the market is in an uptrend or downtrend. When the EMA ribbon rises above the 200 SMA line and the price candles are also above both, it's a sign that the market could be heading into an uptrend. This means that the overall market environment might be favorable for buying opportunities. But remember, the indicator isn't directly signaling when to buy. On the other hand, when the EMA ribbon dives below the 200 SMA line and the price candles are below both, it indicates that the market might be entering a downtrend. This suggests that the market conditions could be leaning towards selling opportunities. Again, the indicator isn't specifically signaling when to sell. Now let's talk about how to use the indicator to make profitable trades while managing risk. Follow these steps for buy trades. First, be patient and wait for a buy signal to pop up. Once you see it, double check that the market is indeed in an uptrend. When both indicators give you the green light, go ahead and open a buy trade. Always remember the golden rule of trading managing your risk. Set a stop loss just below the market's recent swing low to minimize potential losses. To maximize your profits, set your trade target at 1.5 times greater than the distance between the entry price and the stop loss level. This way you're striking a balance between risk and reward. For sell trades, the process is similar but in reverse. Keep your eyes peeled for a sell signal from the indicators. After that, make sure the market is in a downtrend before making any moves. Once both signals are in alignment, it's time to pull the trigger on the sell order. Of course, risk management is key for sell trades too. Set your stop loss just above the market's recent swing high to protect yourself against potential losses. To optimize your profits from sell trades, use the same rule of thumb as buy trades. Aim for a take profit target that's 1.5 times greater than the distance between the entry price and the stop loss level. Now let's see a couple of back and forward testing this strategy, and shortly after I'll share the results with you, my dear fellow traders. As you can see, the results are mind-blowing. Of course, by no means, it don't mean the real-time results would be the same due to spreads, fees, and other parameters like your emotions and even fundamentals. But this is just a glimpse of how accurate and useful the strategy is. But before you go, we have a couple of last gems to share with you. If you're looking to trade with the lowest balance possible while still racking up the big bucks, we've got just the videos for you. Check out our recommended ones on the screen. Thank you for joining us on this trading adventure, and we look forward to seeing you in the next one. Happy trading, and may the profits be ever in your favor.